has been committing gross human rights violation in Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Steadfast, silent by they have been aggravated by their illegal and undated rejection of special status of territory since 1st August 2019. It is against the UN Security Council resolution. What role can Germany play in the resolution of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute as per the appreciation of the Kashmiri people and the international law?
I think he's asking about Kashmir and the occupied territories.
Thank you very much. I hope I got the whole question right, but on the situation on Kashmir and the role of Germany. Well, I truly believe that every country in the world has a role and a responsibility for solving conflicts and for ensuring that we are living in a peaceful world. So my call for peace doesn't only count for Europe and the situation of the brutal war of Russia against Ukraine, but this is also our responsibility to look at other regions with tensions or situation of war. And therefore, I really appreciate that we can have so close meetings and exchange of views with different actors in the world who see their regions obviously more precisely when how we can see them because we are far away. So yes, Germany also has a role and responsibility with regard to the situation of Kashmir. Therefore, we support intensively the engagement of the United Nations to find peaceful solutions in the regions. We see positive signals, and as my colleague has said rightly, we also should look also at the positive signals we are seeing in these difficult times with regard to the cross-border cooperation between Pakistan and India, for example, with regard to the situation of Afghanistan and the food situation of Afghanistan. I think it's also very positive that there's peace process and the situation of Waffenstillstand, so ceasefire in the region, which is kind of stable, and we support all the engagements with regard to the ceasefire. However, there are tensions, the minister has described it, so we encourage Pakistan and we encourage India to follow the track of the ceasefire, to follow the track of the United Nations.